The Palm Springs Fire Department is doubling down to prevent brush fires. News Channel 3's Tatum Larson reports from one of the 27 high-potential wildfire zones in the city.
Well, right now I'm in the beautiful historic tennis club neighborhood in Palm Springs, one of the best places to go hiking near Lichen Trail, and also one of the best places to get a view of wildflowers and other native plants in the valley. While it's certainly not a bad view at this time of year, most of these plants are now what firefighters call fire fuel. It's why the Palm Springs Fire Department is taking steps to cut these plants down to make sure homes don't light up. If you hear this sound in Palm Springs over the next few months, the Palm Springs Fire Department might be the ones behind it.
We're making sure we're clearing the grass, we're cutting down any brush, and not all the native brush. We want to make sure we leave some of that beauty, but it can't be any closer than 18 feet, and it's got any of the dead leaves need to be removed.
Palm Springs Fire Chief Paul Alvarado is showing me one of the main causes of wildfires during the sweltering spring and summer months: dry brush.
What this does is it creates a potential fire hazard.
These non-assuming plants have deadly potential. CAL FIRE reports that there have been 471 wildfires in 2024. The department is weeding out the risk of that number growing.
And what it provides is our firefighters a defensible space so that we can protect structures in the event of a fire.
So I think it's really essential for the city. Helps out a lot for the citizens and all that, keep them safe.
The department also says they're investing in new fire prevention tools like this brush truck.
The water shoots out into the fire hose, out the nozzle, and then the firefighter can extinguish the fire with the agent that is being utilized, which would be water. We also have foment.
While you might not have these tools at home, the department says the best way to prevent fires is keeping your space clear.
As long as the residents are cleaning it from the bottom up, they're removing any of the dead foliage, and they're spaced 18 feet apart, we're okay with that. That meets our standards set for the very high fire severity zone.
The fire department says they're going to be working to remove dry brush from now until the end of July. To see if your home is in a designated high potential fire risk area, visit our website at kesq.com. Reporting in Palm Springs, Tatum Larson, News Channel 3.